Hi guys, this is Karan. Welcome to another episode with Kickin' It with Karan. I've got another really awesome person today with me, Jason. He's going to talk a little bit about Marketplace and what we're offering and how it's different.
We've developed some wonderful partnerships who are selling their applications, or if you said another way, selling their application services on our cloud. And we have lots of them. We have lots of them coming.
Welcome, Jason. I think I've seen too much of you in the last...
Thanks for having me out again.
Yeah.
Do people binge watch these?
I hope so. It's like a Netflix series, like I'm just gonna do like 5 or 10 of these, a special series. But all right, well, let's talk about Marketplace. Everybody has a marketplace. Everybody has, an IME store or image store, and so in the context of things that other cloud providers are doing, how is Marketplace different? Because I don't think we need to explain what Marketplace is. I think people understand that it's an app store, right?
Yeah.
So what are we doing? How's it different in the context of OCI? Can you give us a little bit of a...
Yeah, so as an overview, our cloud marketplace has really expanded a lot recently. So going into open world, we now support full stack deployments. We have a lot of Oracle software on there as well as third-party software.
That's huge.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we have the ability for customers to be able to purchase that software using their universal credits, which, if you're not familiar with that, is the Oracle model for being able to make
it's
enterprise
the one
contracts.
currency that you can use to buy anything across Oracle.
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah.
And so if you think about that from our customers' perspective, Oracle has a lot of big enterprise customers. They want to be able to leverage that universal credits and then be able to access this broad ecosystem of Oracle products very easily, deploy those in a stack configuration, kind of best architected, in addition to the third-party software. If you look at a customer that's going to be making a big migration into the cloud, typically they're bringing 300 plus applications with them. And so we want to make sure that they have not only those third-party offerings, but also the first-party Oracle offerings, and be able to combine those in a way that makes it very easy for them to do that kind of migration and be able to capture all of the products that they're bringing with them.
Perfect. Okay, so the thing that I heard that was really cool was you can deploy Oracle applications through Marketplace. So things like eBusiness Suite, PeopleSoft, Siebel, the general. Is that right? Is it everything that Oracle offers in its portfolio?
So we're going to continue to expand that. Obviously, we're still
Right.
working on bringing out the selection even more and more. As you look at the core products, they're there, and those are really architected in a way that is a best practice architecture, so customers can come in and be able to experience those products, deploy them within their OCI customer tenancy, very, very simply using Terraform and other automated kind of scripts that are available to them. Quick starts is another area that we're investing a lot in to be able to make that very easy for customers to deploy the software.
And this is all open source on
It's
GitHub.
all open source. Yep, absolutely.
Right, cool. So you should go check it out. You should download it. You should give us pull requests. All sorts of stuff, right?
Yep, and we're doing the same thing for the third party as well. So if you look at all of the third party offerings from Fortinet, Palo Alto Networks, all these other companies are coming out and they're actually deploying their listings into the marketplace. Same thing, we're providing quick starts around that, and we're providing customers access to these various listings that they can bring with them as they migrate into
Right, and so from a partner standpoint, so that's the customer standpoint, right? I feel the value is Oracle providing a bunch of Oracle products essentially, plus third-party products as well on a sort of a pay-as-you-go model. But from a partner side, when I'm coming into Marketplace, why would I want to use Marketplace versus here's yet another marketplace I have to invest in? What's the real driver for somebody to go invest time in here?
Yeah, so where we've got the great response from partners is just the excitement to be able to engage with Oracle's customers.
Right.
So, Oracle, 40 plus years of history with our customers, typically large enterprise customers, many of them earlier in their journey. And so what they're doing is they're really evaluating, as they're making that migration, what third-party software they're going to be using when they come onto OCI. And this is a perfect opportunity for a partner to be able to provide their solution to these customers that are really at their critical phase of their journey, and they're making that decision on what does the architecture look like, what firewalls do I use, what storage solutions do I use, all of the various ecosystem that goes around what you really need to do when you're successful on running in the cloud.
Right, that's cool. Okay, so how would you get started? Is it super simple? I go log in and I go to a store and I just click deploy and it just magically works. Is that simple as it sounds?
Yeah, I mean, in some ways it is. So there's two aspects. If you're a customer,
Yeah.
you can access this directly through the OCI console. So Marketplace is within there, and you can access the
Right.
products within our console. And you can deploy those directly within your tenancy, pretty much in what you described. You have to configure the software, but ultimately it's a fairly seamless process to click and deploy that. On the partner side, we do have a process that partners interested in listing can engage directly with our partner managers, and we'll work directly with them and provide them both kind of the business insights and process that goes into listing, as well as the technical side, helping them architect their solutions to be successful on
Right.
the Oracle Cloud Marketplace.
Okay, so if a customer wants to go do this, they simply sign up and they can use it. So I don't need to sort of provide action items, but if there's a partner, what should they do? Like if they want to be on the marketplace, as an example, should they call your personal cell phone, or like how should they get a hold of Oracle?
So that's listed, and we can share the link. There's a link that basically walks you down the path of listing. If you're already an OPN member, it's very seamless. You can list immediately. If you're not an OPN member, you have to sign up for that first, and then we start the listing process from there.
OPN for my viewers is what?
Oracle Partner Network.
There you go. It's awesome. It's a great club to be in, right?
Yes, there's a lot of other additional benefits. Marketplace is just one piece of that overall.
Plus the yacht parties and like.
That'd be great. I haven't gotten invited to those yet.
Okay, cool. All right, well, thank you for joining us again and sharing a little bit about Marketplace. It's super awesome, super simple to go deploy. Go check it out and give us some feedback. We'd love to hear some more about it. And we'll catch you next time.